today I'll introduce you to something very exciting, Generative AI.
Generative AI? What does that mean, sir?
Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that can create new things like text, images, music, videos, and even computer code.
Wow! So it can write a story or make a picture for me?
Exactly. If you ask it, write a poem about friendship, it will instantly create a poem. Or if you say, draw a flying car, it can generate that image too. This technology is now used everywhere, in education, healthcare, business, movies, games, and even in daily life. From helping writers create stories to helping designers make art, and even assisting doctors with reports, Generative AI is changing the way we work and learn.